Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel and happy Navratri you guys. So from today onwards Navratri has started and with that I'm starting a new series onto my channel which is called Navrang Navratri. तो नवरंग नवरात्रि एक ऐसी सीरीज है जिसके अंदर मैं आपके साथ 9 डिफरेंट मेकअप लुक्स और 9 डिफरेंट आई लुक्स शेयर करने वाली हूँ रिप्रेजेंटिंग द 9 कलर्स ऑफ नवरात्रि। तो नवरात्रि के 9 कलर्स होते हैं, 9 डिफरेंट कलर्स टू सेलिब्रेट द 9 अवतार्स ऑफ माँ दुर्गा। एंड फॉर द पीपल हु डोंट नो व्हाट नवरात्रि इज, सो नवरात्रि एक हिंदू फेस्टिवल है जो कि साल में 2 बार मनाया जाता है एंड द वर्ड नवरात्रि मीन्स 9 नाइट्स, 9 रातें। एंड उन 9 दिनों में हम माँ दुर्गा को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, उन्हें पूजते हैं, फास्ट करते हैं एंड लॉट ऑफ स्टफ वी डू टू सेलिब्रेट माँ दुर्गा। एंड इन 9 दिनों में माँ दुर्गा के 9 रूपों को पूजा जाता है और उनके डिफरेंट कलर्स हैं लाइक ऑरेंज, व्हाइट, ग्रे, पर्पल। सो ऑल दीज कलर्स पीपल वेयर ड्यूरिंग दीज 9 डेज ऑफ नवरात्रि टू सेलिब्रेट माँ दुर्गा। सो उन्हीं 9 कलर्स के अकॉर्डिंग मैं 9 आई मेकअप लुक्स करने वाली हूँ और 9 डिफरेंट मेकअप लुक्स करने वाली हूँ जस्ट टू सेलिब्रेट दीज 9 ऑस्पिशियस डेज। एंड यू कैन रिक्रिएट दीज 9 आई मेकअप लुक्स और द मेकअप लुक्स विच आई शो यू, और ये आप कभी भी रिक्रिएट कर सकते हैं। और अगर आप ये 9 डेजिग्नेटेड कलर्स के अकॉर्डिंग 9 आउटफिट्स वेयर कर रहे हैं तो you can match up your eye makeup look with the outfits and you can go to Garba nights and just enjoy these 9 days. So today is the day 1 of Navratri and for the day 1 the color orange is designated. As you can see I'm wearing this beautiful orange outfit and I've also done the orange eye makeup look which I'll show you how to recreate it. So orange is a very vibrant, beautiful and a very special color and that's why it comes on the top of the list. And orange is often associated with warmth, fire and energy and the goddess Shalputri is celebrated with the color orange. So I've created this beautiful eye makeup look representing the color orange of the day 1 of Navratri and I've done this makeup look just to complement the eye makeup and I've done this makeup look using all the affordable products, so it's under the budget and you can recreate it anytime you want. So now without further ado, let's see how to do this eye makeup as well as this makeup look for the day 1 of Navratri. So now let's firstly prime our skin, and to prime the skin I'm using this Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. I'm just opening it up and taking a little amount of this primer onto my fingertips, just this much, and then we'll just massage it between our fingers and apply it onto our skin. Now after the primer let's move on to the foundation, and for the foundation I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 foundation in the shade W240 Warm Beige. And I'm just going to take a little amount of this foundation on the back of my hand and now using a beauty blender I'm just going to apply it all over my face. So this foundation is a medium to buildable coverage foundation and as you can see कि मैंने एक layer foundation की लगा ली है and I think कि मुझे एक और layer लगानी चाहिए just to make it more full coverage.
So मैं फिर से थोड़ा सा foundation on the back of my hand ले रही हूँ and now I'm just going to apply it again all over my face ताकि coverage मेरे skin पर ज़्यादा अच्छी दे. So I'm just doing that.
So as you can see the difference कि यहाँ पर बिल्कुल बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है एंड यहाँ पर भी अच्छा लग रहा है बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मेक अ फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन. बट अगर आपको लाइट वेट फाउंडेशन पसंद है देन यू कैन जस्ट अप्लाई 1 लेयर ऑफ दिस फाउंडेशन एंड इट वुड बी गुड एज वेल. So now foundation अब हमने अच्छे से लगा लिया. Now let's move on to the concealer and for the concealer I'm using this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW04. So firstly I'm just applying the concealer under my eyes just to brighten up my under eye area and now I'm applying it on the high points of my face like bridge of the nose, center of the forehead, a little bit on the cupid's bow and on the chin area as well. Now using the same beauty blender I'm just blending all this out. concealer has been nicely blended. I really love this concealer. It's really smooth and it blends onto your skin really easily. And yeah, I really love the coverage of this concealer as well. So I really love this concealer. And now let's move on to the cream contour. So मैं usually cream contour करती नहीं हूँ, but today I'm just in a mood to do the cream contour. And to do the cream contouring, I'm using this Freedom Professional Pro Stroke Cream Palette. And this is a very beautiful palette. मैंने इसको 1 या 2 बार ही use किया है, but it has really good shades. So this palette is really beautiful. It has 3 contouring shades and 3 highlighting shades as well. ये सारे cream shades हैं, so you really have to blend them really well after applying it onto your skin. And today I'm using this shade to do the cream contouring. और इस palette के साथ ये brush complimentary आता है, so which is a very good thing. It's a very good brush as well. So I'm just taking a little amount of this product onto the brush. And I'm just firstly applying it just below the cheekbone area where I want to contour, just right here. और इस साइड भी मैं वहीं पर ही अप्लाई करूँगी. तो पहले मैं ये अच्छे से अप्लाई कर रही हूँ और नाउ जस्ट स्मूथली ब्लेंडिंग दिस ऑल आउट. और हमेशा आपको कंटोरिंग अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में ब्लेंड करनी चाहिए. So I'm just pulling it upward and blending it really nicely.
Just like that. I really love how this looks. So now we are going to do the same on the other side as well.
Cheekbone पर हो गया है. Now let's move on to the forehead. और मैं यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा on the forehead लगा रही हूँ. A little bit on my jawline. And I'm using a little bit to contour my nose. So I'm also pinching this brush to contour my nose. इस brush को ऐसे pinch करिए and just apply it onto the nose. Now after blending all this out, now let's set this base. And to set this base, firstly I'm using this banana powder by K Beauty. And I'm firstly picking up this banana powder onto this beauty blender, just like this. And now I'm just setting my under eye area using this banana powder. And I'm using the same banana powder to set all of my concealed areas. जहाँ पे मैंने concealer लगाया था वहाँ पर मैं banana powder लगा रही हूँ और उन areas को set कर रही हूँ. And I'm just taking this powder brush and I'm just taking a little amount of this banana powder and I'm just running it all over my face. Now to set the contoured areas, now I'm using this Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer in the shade 02 Warm, and I'm applying this with the help of this angular brush. So I'm just going to take a little amount of this bronzer onto this brush and just lightly bronzing up my face. Now after bronzing up my face, now let's move on to the highlighter. And for the highlighter, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, which is 100. And I'm just taking a little amount of this highlighter onto my brush and dusting off the excess and then applying it onto the high points of my face, like bridge of the nose, center of the forehead, Cupid's bow, and to highlight my cheekbone. So now after applying the highlighter, the base makeup is all done. Now let's move on to the eyes. So firstly, let's do our brows, and for that I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow cake, and I'm using this shade from this eyebrow cake to fill in as well as to shape my brows. Now I'm using this same NYX concealer, and I'm using this concealer to prime my eyelids. So I'm just applying a little bit of this concealer onto my eyelids, और अब एक ब्रश की मदद से मैं इसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ. Now to create this eye look, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Neon Eyeshadow palette in the shade Not a Dream, and it's a very beautiful palette which has some warm shades and few glittery shades as well. So firstly, I'm taking this orange shade on a small blending brush and I'm just putting this shade onto my crease area. तो पहले मैं इस कलर की इंटेंसिटी बढ़ाने के लिए इस शेड को अपनी क्रीज एरिया में पैक कर रही हूँ. आप इस शेड को पहले अच्छे से अपनी क्रीज एरिया में लगा लीजिए 2 से 3 कोट, और जब इसकी इंटेंसिटी अच्छे से बिल्डअप हो जाए देन लाइट हैंडेडली आप इसको ब्लेंड करिए. Now I'm using this yellow ochre shade, और मैं इस शेड को एक फ्लफी ब्रश की मदद से जहाँ पर ये ऑरेंज शेड खत्म हो रहा है राइट अबव माई क्रीज एरिया वहाँ पर लगा रही हूँ और अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ ताकि एक स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन बने और ये आई लुक वेल ब्लेंडेड लगे. Now I'm using this deep shade, और इस शेड की जगह आप कोई भी डार्क ब्राउन शेड यूज कर सकते हैं, and I'm using this shade to deepen my crease area even more. तो मैं बस इस शेड को एक डेंस ब्रश की मदद से सिर्फ क्रीज एरिया के मिडिल में लगा रही हूँ just to deepen my crease area and to give more definition to it. Now I'm using this yellow ochre shade again and I'm just putting it all over my eyelid. Now I'm using this glitter shade and I'm putting it all over my eyelid area. Now let's begin the fun part, which is to add glitter. And to add the glitter, I'm firstly using this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade 03 Champagne, and I'm putting it right on the center of my eyelid. तो मैंने इस liquid eyeshadow को सिर्फ सेंटर में लगाया है और अपनी उंगली की मदद से इसको lightly blend कर दिया है. Now let's add another liquid eyeshadow, which is from Nykaa. It's the Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Summer Solstice, and I'm putting it on the inner area of my eyelid. Now again I'm using this orange shade and I'm putting it onto my lower lash line. Next up I'm using this shade and I'm using it to deepen my lower lash line. Now next up I'm using this Color Bar liquid eyeliner in the shade black and I'm applying a normal simple winged eyeliner. Now I'm curling up the lashes using the eyelash curler. Now after curling up the lashes, now it's the time to apply the mascara, and for that I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and I'm just coating my upper as well as lower lashes with this mascara. So now the eye look is complete. अब मैं इसके अंदर बस false lashes लगा रही हूँ, but it's totally your choice if you want to apply the false lashes or not. But I wanted to apply the false lashes and that's what I did. And after applying the false lashes, this eye look looks incredibly beautiful. I really love how it turned out.
And now let's move on to the lipstick, and for the lipstick I'm using this Makeup Revolution matte lipstick in the shade Matte Filling 125. And now this beautiful eye makeup is done and the lipstick is also done, and then मुझे याद आया कि I forgot to apply the blush. So now let's just apply the blush, and for the blush I'm using this Freedom Professional London Pro Blush Palette. तो इस ब्लश पैलेट के अंदर बहुत सारे कोरल शेड्स हैं which looks really nice. So I'm just taking the combination of all these 3 blushes onto a blush brush and I'm just applying it onto the apples of my cheeks. So now this whole makeup is done, and now let's just fix this makeup using a makeup fixing spray, and for that I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Makeup Setting Spray. I'm just spritzing it all over my face. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I've created this beautiful eye makeup look as well as this makeup look using all the affordable products, and the makeup look turned out supremely nice. So it's under the budget and you can recreate it anytime you want. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and do follow this series Navrang Navratri if you want to know more about Navratris and the different colors which has been designated to these 9 auspicious days. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow on the day 2 of Navratri with a different eye look and the different makeup look. Till then, bye bye, take care.